thoughts?
Good ma'am.
Yes.
Mm,
Yeah, today's colorless day. Yeah. You look so beautiful in this dress, Amna. Mm. Nice color combination. Yes. Adi, you can wear, yeah. Colorless. Today's a colorless day. You wear color or
I
you...
was wearing white.
Forget that. Ishan and Zahra, everyone turn on your camera.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I'll connect my headphones and then on my camera.
Okay. How are you doing all? Yeah. Let's schedule tomorrow's assembly. Who is gonna be to present the thought? Tanas, you will be the thought.
Ma'am, can I be the riddle?
Okay. Riddle, Amna. Amna, okay. And GK. Ishan, turn on your camera. Sabah and Ishan, both, please. Ishan and Sabah. Ishan, Sabah, you there? Ishan will be the
Yeah.
what? GK.
Ma'am, can I be the
Present
word
GK.
of the day?
Okay, word of today is you. Word is Sabah. All over then. And you, one more thing, news reading. Hadi, you have to read news. Okay. Tanas, thought for the day, news reading, Imran. Not Imran, Hadi. Hadi and riddles, Amna, Ishan, GK. Word of the day, Sabah. Mm.
Ma'am, I'm riddles.
Not you are not riddles, you are news reading. Thought is Tanas, news reading is Hadi, riddles is Amna, Ishan GK point, 5 GK you shouldn't go there. Okay. And word of the day is Sabah. Is it clear? I think today we have a webinar for your parents. The message will send soon. You have to share with this message your parent. There will be a
I'm class
webinar for your
leader.
parents. It's making the right color curriculum choice. It's related our curriculum based discussion. So please ask them to join at that time. Okay, the time and everything will share. I think in the night, 8 o'clock is night is the time. So that your parents can also easily join. Okay. So everyone should inform your parents also about today's
Ma'am,
webinar.
when
Yeah,
will
we'll inform you the timings through the WhatsApp group. Okay. You just check it out.
I'm the
It's I think
class leader.
8 night 8 o'clock is I think like that. I'm not sure. The message will send so. Okay.
I'm the class leader.
And
Ma'am, can you be the
yeah, I'll
class leader?
change class leader. Tomorrow I'll change. Tomorrow I'll change for the upcoming week.
No.
Imran, there will be a webinar for your parents. So please inform your mother to join it. Okay. It's related
What? What
about
did you
making
say?
the right curriculum
What
choice.
web? What web? What do you mean web?
Webinar. It's a parenting session for your mother, your parents.
Okay.
Okay.
Then
Message
I'll
will
just
send
say it
soon.
after school when I have break.
Hmm. What? What, Imran? So don't
I have to
forget to
say it.
share this.
Ma'am, at which time?
Yeah, we'll send you the timing soon. Okay. I'm not sure about the timing. Maybe it's night time, night 8 o'clock, in the time 8
I
o'clock.
should join at live class.
Your parents should be joined. No need to join you.
In the live class.
It's
Okay,
only
I
for
see.
the parents.
Now I can
Okay.
remember it.
It's only for the
Ma'am, in the
parents.
live class? Ma'am, live class?
No, not in live class. It's maybe in your auditorium. And the venue, the timing, and everything will say us soon.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm
You'll get
telling
the
you,
message through
when
your
should we
WhatsApp.
join?
Maybe it's auditorium. Maybe that. The
After
message
class?
after not in the morning session. It's in the afternoon. Maybe this night time. Okay. The webinar
So
will send
that's easy.
tonight.
So
The
it's gonna
time
take
and the
2 hours.
venue, the
It's
duration,
gonna take.
every details will send soon. Okay. So, yes, Zahra, anything else?
My mom is in UAE.
Yeah, it's online webinar. You just share the link
But
to her and she will join from.
maybe she's in India.
Everyone can join. Where is Ryan? Is Lee, Ryan Joshi, Ryan is not here, Fatiha. Then, who else? Only these two peoples. Okay. What happened, Imran?
Nothing.
Okay.
But just
That's all.
today I don't have second language. Hooray!
Imran.
Yeah. Because
Ryan, you joined lately. You didn't get today's attendance. So join on time. Those who
then
need attendance of
tomorrow it's
assembly,
gonna be below Kahoot.
mute your mic, Imran.
But I'm
What happened to Ryan Joshi? You're late today.
8.
Someone also is
Seven.
joining
Ma'am,
late
can
for
I
the
be the
assembly.
next class leader?
No, you'll be in it one time.
Yeah, I will
No,
select that. I don't know. Yeah, let me check.
Spin the wheels.
It's not time for that. That's him. Quickly make.
Wait, I really want to.
Okay. The
Ma.
last person will be the class leader. Amna, you're the first one.
Who did I forgot? Ishan? Zahra? Why is it me there? Why did I forgot? Looks is not Amana, this is the last. Oh, that's it. Everyone is here. Now, unless. I'm gonna do the proper way.
Imran, you're cheating so hard and
Imran,
making
stop your presentation, Imran.
Okay. I just want to be the class leader because it's so good. I can be the boss of the class.
That's not how your class leader works. You have to be a good guy and help everyone.
Yeah, that's why I'm doing it.
No.
What
So
is the first
Zahra or
letter?
Ishan? The last person is gonna be Ishan. Good job.
So who is that?
Ishan. What's Ishan? Now it's gonna be Ishan again.
No.
Ishan is gonna be the class leader.
So now Zahra will be our class
Mom,
leader.
Yamana is the
Congratulations,
class
Zahra.
leader.
Okay. So everyone, see you tomorrow. Bye. Have a great day to you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Good morning.